let me begin with a story. The story of Krishnan and Gauri, a Madurai couple who were leading a satisfied married life, both of them working in two big MNCs and earning well. But their perspective in life changed after the birth of their daughter in 2010. There was a sudden sense of realization and concern about the next generation, and they felt that something needs to be done to change the unsustainable way of living in the society. And that's when they came up with the idea of the yellow bag, an initiative they took up to get rid of the plastic bags in the society. Today, I'm sure many of you, whenever you go out for shopping, you are required to carry your own bag. With many shops, be it a supermarket or a small street vendor, no one will pack your things in a plastic bag. Not just this, even when you order food online or say when you shop online, you will receive your things in a cloth bag or a paper bag. This resistance against or towards the plastic bags is a major reason why today the textile bag industry is booming in the country. Today, from small-scale businesses to big brands, all of them are engaged in making and promoting cloth bags. So if you're looking for a business idea that you can start immediately and also you can earn huge profit, then it's a very good idea and very good time for you to start the textile bag manufacturing business. Now, if you're wondering why should you choose to start this particular business, then let me tell you, bags manufacturing business is spreading its territories across other countries and it is environment friendly too. Eco-friendly things are being promoted in offices, in big corporate houses and also in government departments. Today, awareness among people about the single-use plastic is also increasing, as a result of which they are shifting more towards buying the safe and eco-friendly products. That's why people today prefer to use the cotton and jute bags instead of plastic bags. These bags are trendy and fashionable too. You will also find a lot of variety in these bags like office bags, then purse, vegetable bags, backpacks, laptop bags, etc. If you're planning to venture into a business, textile bag manufacturing business is a lucrative business idea. So when you start a textile bag business, you will not only cater to, say, a set group of people, but also to people of different age groups and also gender. Once you have established your business, you can then sell your products across different target customers, such as you can have tie-ups with boutiques where they have a huge demand wherein they need bags for the customized bags that can match their customers' clothes. You can also have tie-ups in, say, with the malls, and not just that. These days you have big brands who have tie-up with the small manufacturers too. So they too can be your target customers when you start your own textile bag manufacturing unit or business. You can also sell your products to, say, supermarket, wholesale, sweet shops, general stores, etc. And the best part about this business, let me tell you, is that there is no off-season, which means that bags are always in demand throughout the year.
So textile bag manufacturing business is about making bags out of textiles. So textile could be different kind of fabrics like jacquards, cotton, viscose. Even we make bags from wool fabric, like blend fabrics like wool and viscose blend. Blend fabrics is very much trendy right now in all kind of markets. So what we make out of these textiles is duffel bags, backpacks, wallets, beauty bags, vanity bags, shopper bags, tote bags, which we supply to various customers. Like if we talk about the domestic market, then we supply to shop owners, boutique owners, then the exhibition stall owners, then the B2B clients, B2C clients. So when I say B2C clients, it means the shop owners which are producing online, which are marketing the products online on websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or also the B2B clients like IndiaMart, Trade India. So we can supply to all of these kind of clients and also to the Indian exporters. This business can be started by any individual who is passionate about fashion and who has a little bit technical knowledge of bags. And you do not need any proper qualification for it. If you have a basic diploma of a fashion designing course, and even if not fashion designing course, then something, if you have a knowledge of little bit about textiles or little bit about the sewing or the knitting, then you can definitely start this business. To start this business, the capital needed is maximum 4 to 5 lakh, not more than it. So I arranged my capital because I was a very planner since as a kid. So I used to save money for this because I always wanted to start some business. And in my mind, it was always clear that I have to start some business. So I used to save money. And when finally I decided to start to cooperate with my dad, and with my dad did this business, I already had my savings of 4 to 5 lakh rupees. But even if you do not have your savings and you want to start this business, you can go for the bank loans and the other corporate and the government schemes available in the market. Yes, the bank loans are there for this business. You can easily get it from any bank, whether it's a private bank, whether it's a semi-government bank. You can easily get it from any bank. So there are many schemes provided by government. Our Prime Minister has started many women empowerment schemes, for especially when if it is a proprietorship business, for women proprietorship or women empowerment related to that. There are many schemes in the market started by a government. So especially for women, it's not difficult. But even if you're a man and you want to start this business, you can easily start this business by getting a bank loan. So how to determine the cost of a product? So you have to take care many things so that you don't incur a loss. So from the raw material to the shipping charge, you have to take care of everything. So let's take an example of this bag. This is a quilting bag, a printed quilting cotton canvas bag. So first of all, we take the rate of the fabric. So let's say this is a cotton canvas bag and it is 20 rupees per meter. And now you have to take care that what is the consumption. Let's say it's 20 centimeter in one bag. So 20 centimeter you can multiply by the rate of the meat fabric and you can determine the actual fabric cost. So once you have the fabric cost, you can add the stitching cost. Now stitching cost could be determined by how much time a karigar or tailor is taking to make this bag. So let's say there are 10 pieces, you can make it in one day. According to that, you have to determine the stitching cost. Also the pattern cost. How much time does it take to cut these bags? So let's say if 3 or 5 bags are cut in one day. So this is the charge of the master who is hired by you. Even if it is salaried, then also you have to take care. Apart from that, the other trims and accessories like the zips and the inside sheeting, the inside non-woven sheet which is kept inside, you have to also take care of that. In the end, after the end product price is there, you have to add the shipping charge also. How much charges will it take from your vicinity to the consumer's vicinity? After adding that, you have the final price of your product. So this is how you determine the price of the product of any product in that case, and in this case it is a bag. The challenges which you face in this business. So it includes the utmost thing, which I think it's almost in every business, which is competition. So there would be many other bag manufacturers which would be good like you. So how do you stand different from them? So you have to make something out of the box, something creative, and the price should be very competitive. As the Darwin theory goes, survival of the fittest, you have to be fit to survive. So yeah, the competition, you have to take care that you are the best. Not the second best, but the best. So there's another thing which you face, the challenge in this industry. As we say, time is money. So if your time is money, so you should have all the backups in your company. So let's say when you talk about backups, the stocks with you of the fabric stocks you should have a generator in your company. So if there is a power cut, you shouldn't, your order shouldn't be delayed. You should have a generator in your company so you can easily give your orders on time. So, another challenge which you face is the inventory management, as I said earlier, and the rejections which sometimes you face. Let's say the color is not the same as your buyer wanted or something else is there. So you should always take care of this part also, that whenever you make the costing of the product, you can add that particular 5 to 6% that the rejections would be there. And when the rejections are there, it could be minor defects, and you can easily sell off such items in the surplus markets. So yes, these are few challenges which you face when you start this business, and even when it grows, these challenges you will always face. You should be ready for this because yeah, business is a risk, but a calculated risk.
India is launching significant initiatives to expand its technical textile industry. Leading cloth bag manufacturers in India are setting an example of achieving sustainability in their products by producing textile from natural and recyclable materials. So what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a business idea, then it's time that you jump into this and start your own textile manufacturing business. Download Freedom app and watch this entire course and get great insight into how you can establish your successful own textile bag manufacturing business. And not just this, you can also have great other business ideas across different sectors too. So hurry up and download the app from Play Store or App Store. Also, before going, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such financial content, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.